Hi there, Melody from WTI.
Want a little sparkling in your life? Well, you're going to want this sparkling water machine soda system from OSCEVIA. Whether it's clear water, a flavored water, or maybe just some specialty drinks that you're going to make for a fun night of entertaining, this system from OSCEVIA is awesome. I love that it comes with even these two portable bottles that can actually lock up so you can take it to go wherever you want. I love how sleek this is. It doesn't take up a lot of room. And to make it even more sturdy, you can open up the legs. Take any CO2 cylinder that you prefer, pop it in there. These cylinders will actually make up to 180 bottles of soda water. So it's going to last you a very long time. Super easy to use. You just press the injector head to let the gas inject down into the bottom until you hear the buzzing sound. And you do this as many times as you want, depending on the fizz that you love. I'm very impressed with this soda making machine from OSCEVIA.
And that's my point of view.